Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby, isa akong intuitive reader. So, gagawin natin ng inyong monthly Tagalog reading para sa buwan ng March 2024. Current energy check-in sa buwan ng March 2024. At maaaring mag-resonate into the next 3 to 6 months. Remember na ito ay collective reading, so meaning na hindi to personal reading and maaaring mag-resonate to sa certain group of collective at hindi mag-resonate over a certain group. It only means na it's not every month na magre-resonate kayo sa reading, and if it doesn't resonate, maaaring yung panoorin yung next month reading ninyo. Maybe I will tap into your energy for that month. Okay? So, collective Taurus, isa-shuffle muna natin ang mga cards no, in front of the camera. Sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers natin, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong monthly Tagalog readings. Okay? So, collective Taurus, isa-shuffle lang muna natin yung mga cards ninyo in front of the camera, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds para sa inyong general collective reading for the month of March all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Hi again, Taurus. So, simulan na natin ang inyong general life reading. Kukuha tayo ng 6 na oracle cards sa deck na ito. Ito ang Goddess Power Oracle card by Colette Baron Reid. And titingnan natin ang general life snapshot ninyo. Like I said, on to the next 3 to 6 months, current energy check-in from March onwards. Okay? So, 7 baraha para sa ating Taurus collective. Okay. Handa na kayo, Taurus? So, at position 1 Taurus, nandyan si Mother Mary, Miracles. At position 2, nandyan si Demeter, Nurturer. At position 3, nandyan si Skull, the Future, Taurus. At position 4, nandyan si Mama Killa, the Moon. At position 5, nandyan si Ishtar for Communion. Okay? And at position 6, nandyan naman si Artemis for Focus. And at the center, Taurus, nandyan si Ambition. Okay, so let's take a look at position number 1 mo muna, Taurus, no? So at position number 1 mo, nandyan si Mother Mary. So ang sinasabi dito, nasa release position siya, no? So it's about time, no? I think na sinasabi sa inyo ng Divine, ng Blessed Mother, no? If you're Catholic, at ng ating universe, no? Ng ating Panginoon, na it's about time na bigyan tayo ng mga himala. Okay? This is for you. So, you have to cling dun sa hope mo, no? Kasi finally, bibigyan tayo ng blessings and graces. Nasa release position to. Normally, ang channel nating energy is you. Ano yung kailangan mong pakawalan? Okay? I-unleash. Okay? Ngayon, lumabas ang Blessed Virgin Mary, at ang miracle is something na hindi natin kayang pakawalan sa sarili natin. So, it means to say na i-guide ka, you are being aided by our Blessed Virgin Mary sa mga possible na mga graces and blessings na surprises. Something good, no? And it's something na hindi manggagaling sa'yo, kundi manggagaling sa Divine, sa Panginoon at sa Kanya. Intercession. Kung Marian devotee ka, continue your devotion to her. Sa novena, sa prayer, continue rin ang devotion to Jesus, Sacred Heart of Jesus and Mary. Alright? At sa Immaculate Heart of Mary. Dahil, ramdam ko, i-release na tong himala na to para sa'yo. Okay? This is something unexpected. Magiging sorpresa to, pero magiging masaya tayo. Diba? Now, miracle is always something good kasi trabaho to ng mga light workers, ng mga divine, ng mga good spirits, ng mga higher beings, no? Like the Blessed Virgin Mary. Okay? Now, at position 2 Taurus, nandyan naman si Demeter, Nurturer. I think kailangan mo ipagpatuloy, no? So, may mga areas sa buhay mo na kailangan mong i-grow, i-cultivate. It could be yung career mo ngayon, pwede rin yung mga partnership alliances, or your money, or yung mga personal relationship mo. Yun yung kailangan mong i-cultivate as of March on to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? May mga areas kasi na sabihin natin, it's coming from sa space or sa position or standpoint na pakiramdam natin we're lacking. Okay? Or walang masyadong galaw or movement, or kailangan ng abundance and prosperity. Okay? So, yun yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. To work on it, on things na kailangan ng attention mo, ng kalinga mo, ng pagmamahal. It could also be a family situation or a domestic situation, living in or marriage situation. Okay? Na pagpatuloy mo daw na i-cultivate at i-grow at alagaan. Okay? So, it's something na a sitwasyon o a connection na hindi mo dapat pabayaan o i-let down. So, I hope it resonates with you kahit sa anong area ng life mo, Taurus. Okay? Now, at position 3, Taurus, nandito ang manifestation mo, no? Ang sinasabi naman sa manifestation mo, Taurus, the future. Okay, so right now, you try to manifest or, achieve things, no? Or desire things na pang long term daw. Okay, wag tayo mag-manifest ng mga short-lived or short-term na mga commitments or short-lived dreams, no, na maglalast lang ng 5 months or 1 year. This is something na sinabing future, so it's something na long-term, no, may longevity in the next 5 years. At most, normally sa mga bagay-bagay naman, ang tanong lagi is that, how do you see yourself 5 years from now? Yun dapat yung mga minamanifest or wino-work on mo. Kasi nandiyan ang nurturer, yung cultivate. And don't you worry, kasi ang miracle, malapit ka sa mga blessings and graces ng ating ina, ng ating Panginoon, no? So, yun yung warning or advice sa'yo na you work hard and try to reach goals na hindi pang short term lang or pang present time. Okay? Make sure na, let's say, nag-i-invest ka, nagsisave tayo, no? Hindi tayo yung parang one-time millionaire, just an example only, or one-day millionaire. You work hard for your money kasi it's not only for you, kundi para sa mga magiging future family mo, kung single ka, and para sa future ng mga minamahal mo, inheritance. So, yun yung isang example sa manifestation mo, Taurus. Okay? Now, sa position 4 mo, Taurus, nandiyan ang the moon, no? Ito yung mga external energies. Okay? So, yung external energies right now na nakapalibot sa'yo, medyo may kaguluhan, may confusion, may uncertainty, may dark and light. Hindi ganun ka-bright, no? Yung mga external energies na maaaring maka-influence sa'yo. Okay? So, maaaring bright or napaka-optimistic mong tao, but at the same time, may mga circumstances, events, and people around you na maaaring nagbibigay sa'yo ng uncertainty, walang clarity, may lack of direction pa, or may kakulangan sa mga perspective. Okay? So, I hope it will never affect your standpoint or yung clear vision mo on what you need to do, yung kailangan mong i-work out para sa sarili mo. Okay? So, expect lang yung external energies mo na maaaring yung mga current situations na wala sa control mo, malabo pa ngayon. Okay? Wala pang clarity, walang matino na patutunguhan or direction. Okay? It's not a negative thing. Maybe may work na kailangan gawin. It doesn't happen overnight naman. Ang success, ang dream person mo, it won't happen overnight, no? Kasi there's a work or time involved, no? So, as of now, ang sinasabi lang ngayon, it may be unclear for now. Okay? So, it's din lang, manage your expectations sa mga external energies. Okay? Could be people or situations or places, no? And then, could also be, for example, sa job mo, no, right now, instability and security mo, uncertainty pa, but you need to work, you need to continue kasi gusto mo yung company, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, no. The future is uncertain pa, whether how long can you stay dun sa company na yun if you feel like parang every year or every 6 months may nagre-rework. You know, the lack of stability na binibigay ng company, yung energy na yun, it's just an example. External energy could be yung mga company na nagma-merge, nag-acquire, so kino-custom yung stability and security and future mo sa company na yan. But still, manage your expectations, no? Gawin mo lang yung kailangan mong gawin for now. No, kasi it's out of your control. At position 5, yung kailangan mong ibigay sa sarili mo at sa ibang tao or sa community, communion. So, maraming reason ang communion, no? Pag sinabi mo communion, no, it's parang coming together, no? Socialize, make new friends, make new connection. Isa yan, make new friendship, make meaningful connection, socialize, grow your network, no, and also communion with God, with yourself as well. Coming to terms with yourself kung sino ka talaga. Take whatever resonates here. Could also be mean a reconciliation or a reunion with a family member, an old flame, old friends, no? Healing past wounds, no? Healing past hurts, okay? So, yun yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Whatever it is na kailangan ng parang reconciliation or reunion or coming together sa isang situation, sa sarili mo man yun, sa ibang tao, ito yung kailangan mong ibigay. Okay? You need to give in to this. Okay? Hindi pwedeng habang buhay tayo magbablock ng mga things na gustong makipag-commune sa atin. No? Kaibigan or makipag-connect sa atin. Maybe mag-connect ka sa inner self mo rin. It could be that. Okay? Now, at position 6, Taurus, now, nandito naman si Artemis, focus daw. Ang mga manifestations mo, sinabi, mag-focus sa long term, di ba? And, ang new beginnings mo, well, ang new beginnings could be from now onwards sa future, di ba? So, kailangan ng focus, okay? Pag may bagong simula ka, make sure na hindi mo pababayaan yung, mo doon, attention mo, yung sa bagong trabaho, mag-focus ka muna doon sa kailangan mong gawin sa trabaho na bago. Sa bagong business, kailangan hands-on ka rin. Kung magtatayo ka ng bago mong family, new friends, make sure na, alam mo yun, put ka ng effort, no? Mag-i-invest ka pa rin ng time and energy sa mga bagong connections and bagong simula sa buhay mo, okay? Hindi because na yung situation seems familiar na sa'yo, seems old and not something new, pero these are different people and different places, no, na para magpapaka-relax lang tayo na babaliwalain natin. So, ibig sabihin nito, wag natin i-taken for granted yung mga new beginnings natin, kahit na ang mga new beginnings na yan, maybe small, maybe big, but, you know, regardless, no, new beginnings, sinasabi daw, don't take it for granted, okay? Bigyan mo ng time and energy, okay? New work, bigyan ng time and energy, magbaliwalain, huwag magpaka-laid back sa mga business na adventures na bago, sa mga hobby, just continue equal amount of time and energy sa lahat ng mga new beginnings mo kung marami yan, okay? Hindi yung focus ka lang sa isang bagong simula and then napapabayaan yung iba, okay? Kung marami man mga new beginnings yan, maaari naman sidetrack tayo, diba? Make sure na balance din ang focus mo kung mga marami kang gustong gawing sabay-sabay at the moment, at the same time, alright? Now, Taurus, at the center nandyan si Ike or Nike or I think Ike for ambition. Yun, I feel strongly, no? Kasi nandyan ang nurturer, may miracle. Nandyan ang future, guys. Okay? Nandyan ang moon, communion, and focus. I strongly feel like it has something to do talaga sa career mo, sa mga endeavors mo ngayon, business na ginugrow mo, and even sa mga relationships, no? Not for yourself, hindi to romantic relationship, professional relationship also kailangan mong i-grow. So, kasi, ang sinasabi, lesson na kailangan mong matutunan or hindi mo pa natutunan is that, you need to be more ambitious. Okay? You need to be more like chase mo yung dream mo. Kasi nandiyan yung focus. Ramdam ko sa kayong future. Yung manifestation mo, future, di ba? At yung focus as new beginning mo. So, be more ambitious daw, okay? Kasi, it's something na parang pinupush ka to be better, okay? Kasi something will come out of this, something good will come out of this, okay? Kung gagawin mo to, and just be careful dun sa external energies, huwag tayo magpaka-distracted, okay? Alright? And, kasi ang maganda rito, pag nag-work hard ka pa rin, I think magpe-pay off yan kasi eventually masasurprise ka na nakuha mo na yung future na gusto mo, na manifest mo sa present time. Kasi may miracles ka, ini-aid ka ng ating Blessed Virgin Mary sa mga hard work na gagawin mo on to the next 3 to 6 months to from current energy mo ngayong March. Alright? So, stay ambitious, stay passionate, okay? Huwag mong iwawala yan. Okay? Maaaring, let's say, no, nagpa-fluctuate yung focus natin. Like, gusto natin makapag-upskill, pero hindi consistent yung schedule mo ng pag-aaral, no? So, make sure you make an effort to focus doon sa area na yon. make an effort na may study time ka. Mag-set ka ng study time mo at night, mga 5 hours a day. No? Stay committed and no, stay ambitious, okay? Kasi parang you will come strong. Maraming magagawa at malayo ang mararating mo doon. Kasi nandiyan ang nurture, future, and the miracles. Ang ganda ng mga cards. So, sana nag-resonate kayo, Taurus, sa general life reading ninyo. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time kasi collective reading to. Take care, Taurus. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. Bye, Taurus.